What's up? I'm Allison. For today's video, we're doing a quick 7-minute core shred workout. If you haven't done it yet, make sure to tap the subscribe button and the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos released every Mondays and Thursdays. All you need is a mat. We're gonna be moving pretty quickly throughout this entire routine since we only have 7 minutes. Each exercise will be 30 seconds on with a 10-second rest in between. We're gonna start with one opener move for 30 seconds and then follow it with 4 moves that'll be 2 rounds each. This workout is perfect to follow strength or cardio, so make sure to give it a save. So grab your mat and let's get started. For our first exercise, go into a high plank position. We're transitioning from a high plank to a down dog crunch. Shifting forward, keeping the abs tight, and then pop those hips all the way to the ceiling. Ready, set, 30 seconds starts now. High plank, and then nice and slowly pop up. Now this is a good opening move to start with because you get a stretch. It sort of eases you into it. If you need to modify this at all, you can take it to a modified plank and then sink back for a child's pose instead. So remember, you always have options. Good, keep it up, keep it up. You have about 5 seconds left, and then we're moving on to a seated position. In 3, 2, 1. Quick 10-second transition, take a seat. We're doing alternating angle crunches. One shoulder, and then the other shoulder. Ready, set, let's go. So this is the start of the 4 exercise block that we're gonna do 2 rounds for. Bring the knees all the way in. Modified motion, you could take one knee in, other knee in, still adding that twist. Whew, halfway through time. Come on, bigger the move, more you work. After this, we're gonna take it down onto our backs. You're doing awesome. Whew, keep it up, keep it up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Take it all the way on your back, double leg stretch. Hug it in, inhale, reach, exhale, bring it in. Ready? Let's go. Inhale, reach, exhale in. Breathe. Nice full extensions. If this bothers your neck, head on the ground, do the same movement. You got it. Inhale, exhale. Good. Stay there, stay there. Whew. We are staying on our backs for your next exercise. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1. Relax your head. Place your hands under your hips, and we're doing a set of crisscrosses. Nice and tight. Lower the legs more intense. If you need to, bring it higher. Ready? Let's go. If you'd like to take this up a notch, you're more than welcome to lift your head up and look at those toes. I'm gonna keep my head down for this move. Remember, this is your modification. A little bit higher, and you can take it a little slower. Come on, finish it up. Whew. 12 seconds. Abs are starting to burn. We're flipping it over back into that high plank position after this for your next move. Breathe. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Hug it in, flip it over. Hesitation mountain climbers. High plank, 1, 2, in. 1, 2, in. Ready, set, let's go. 1, 2, hesitate. 1, 2, hesitate. Hesitation or pause, however you want to think of it. Modification is going to be just doing slow mountain climbers in and out, still bringing the knees all up to the chest. Whew. All right, after this, we're going back from the top. Seated, angled crunches. I know, it's only a 10-second rest in between, but this is such a short amount of time. Come on, come on. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, stop. Whew, round 2, angle knee crunches. You know it's coming. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so you have this move. You have this move. One heel stays down, one knee curls up. All right? Pick your poison. What do you like to do? I know the second set is going to feel harder, but you've got this. You're stronger than you think. Power through. But if you need to take longer breaks, take them. And then jump right back in. 3, 2, 1. Quickly move onto your back, double leg stretch. Next 5 seconds, just breathe. Hug the knees in, lift your head. Let's go. Inhale, reach. Exhale, tuck. Nice and long. Inhale, exhale. Take those knees all the way up towards the chin if you can. Whew. Remember, you can always drop that head down if it's starting to bother your neck. No worries there. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. I know it's tempting, but don't do it. Remember, we're staying on your back for your next move. 3, 2, 1. Just drop and relax. Crisscrosses are next. Start to set those hands under the hips. Head up or down. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. So if your head up position, you're here. Head down here with me. If your back is arching a lot or you need a modification, you take it higher and slower. Whew. You can point those toes, lengthen the legs. Breathe through it. I know, we're so close to the end. We're so close. Whew. We're flipping around for those hesitation mountain climbers after this. And then you just have one finisher move and we're done. 3, 2, 1. Hug it in, rack it up, flip it over. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. Or you're doing those slow mountain climbers. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, hold. 1, 2, hold. Tighten those abs. Shoulders are stacked. Abs are tight. Whew. Come on, can you get those knees all the way up just a little higher? And I say that because I'm reminding myself of that too. Breathe. Boom. Knee. Up. Knee. Good. Come on, you're almost there, almost there. And then we're actually going to be kind of in a seated position, and I'll cue you. And stop. Flip it around. Seated, take it down your elbows. We're finishing with big leg kicks up and down. Ready, set, let's do it. This is it. Your final finishing move. Breathe through it. Oh, I know. 20 seconds of your life, that's it. Then you're done. Woo! Can you make it bigger? It's only one set of these. Last one, finishing strong. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the way down. Oh my gosh, you did it. Hug those knees in. Rock side. Amazing job. So, so, so good. Whew. Let's go ahead and set those feet down. Drop the knees one way, reach opposite. Or you can open up that top arm and make a T. I don't know about you, but my heart rate is up. I have a little bit of sweat, and that's just from doing abs. Good, center those knees, drop the other way. Arms can stay where they're at if you'd like. Let the heart rate come down. Good, you did amazing. Bring those knees in, give yourself a big hug, rock it up to that seated position. Last couple things, one hand down, one arm up and over, turn and look at that ceiling if you like. Very nice. Center up, face forward, inhale, exhale, one with the arms. Now, if you're not aware, I have a Coola channel, which is a fitness subscription channel, and there is a 7-day core shred challenge on there. 7 workouts, very similar to this, but they're all different. And I challenge you to do it 7 days in a row. You can stack it on top of other workouts, but it's a good way to really just fire up the abs and challenge your body in a different way. Interlock your fingers behind, open the chest. So drop me a comment if you're interested in joining this. I think you'd really enjoy it. And you can even try a 7-day trial on my channel. So just let me know. Round the back. Inhale up and exhale down. Great job. My name is Allison. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.